Welcome to the KWHotel Help Center. In this tutorial, you will learn the following: how to manage prices in KWHotel, how to add rate plans, how to create price periods with different rates, how to manage prices on a daily basis, how to copy rates between the room groups. What is the purpose of rate plans? Rate plans are used to manage the prices of room groups. Room group consists of rooms that share the same standard or parameters, such as number of people, price, or inventory. Both room groups and rate plans are obligatory to set up if you are interested in synchronizing KWHotel with online booking portals such as Booking.com or with channel managers. In case every room in your hotel is different, it is required to create a room group for each room separately. This means one room group equals one room. Head to the Rate Plans module. Click Add a new rate plan. This will open the Rate Plan wizard. Determine a name of your rate plan. If you plan to synchronize this rate plan with Booking.com or channel managers, try adding its name at the end. This will make it easier to determine the purpose of each rate plan later on. If you do not wish to use this rate plan in the KWHotel reservation screen, you may click this option. If you do not wish to use this rate plan in the KWHotel booking engine, you may click this option. If you do not wish to use this rate plan for the time being, you can deactivate it here. Please note that if any synchronization is active for this rate plan, you may encounter errors. This option is used to add a colorful border around reservations created under this rate plan. Here you can determine what tax will be included in the room price. Here you can determine in which days will the rate plan be bookable. If your rate plan includes meal, you may select it here. The meal will be included in the room price. Here you can force KWHotel to download prices from another rate plan, or apply the current rate plan settings to another rate plan. If your rate plan includes restrictions such as minimum or maximum stay, you may determine them here. Please note that in case of synchronization with the Booking.com or channel managers, the Enable Restrictions button must be selected, even if you do not intend to use any restrictions. The validity period is the amount of time when the rate plan can be used in KWHotel. In case of synchronization with the Booking.com or channel managers, this period covers for which period of time the availability and prices will be synchronized between KWHotel and the portals. To add a period, click the Add button. In case you synchronize KWHotel with Booking.com or channel manager, this validity period must be extended from time to time to assure your availability and prices are synchronized as the time progresses. Price settings. The core of your rate plan. This window consists of several options. On the left, you may see the room groups created in KWHotel. In the center, you may see the price periods of your rate plan. By default, you will see the periods created as the validity periods before. On the top, you may see an additional toolbar. Prices per day allow you to change the prices on a daily basis. Just select the period you wish to change and use one of the buttons below. These buttons will be described in a moment. Import prices. You may use this option to copy prices from one room group to another. First, select the room group that you want to transfer the prices to. Then hit the Import Prices button. Select the source room group and confirm your choice. Fill prices manually. This option allows you to create new price periods. Edit Period. This option lets you modify the existing price period. You cannot change the dates using this option. Close. This option will block the selected price period, causing an availability 0 to be sent to the Booking.com or the channel manager. The blocked period will be marked red. Now let us create a period manually. Select the start date and the end date of the period. Here you may specify the prices. For the sake of synchronization with Booking.com and channel managers, only the base price of a room is required. The remaining fields will be covered in another video. Insert the maximum price for the given room in the base price field. Select the days when the price period will be active. If your price period includes restrictions such as minimum or maximum stay, you may determine them here. Please note that in case of synchronization with the Booking.com or channel managers, the Enable Restrictions button must be selected, even if you do not intend to use any restrictions. If your price period includes meal, you may select it here. The meal will be included in the room price. If this price period is applicable to different room groups, you may select them here. The price period was successfully created. As you may see here, the periods were divided on the list. If the price period is highlighted in orange, this means it has no price. The Close button will block the availability for the given period and highlight it in red. Let us select the last orange period and edit it. Click the Edit button. As you can see, the Edit button does not allow you to modify the date range. Now that your rate plans are ready, you can schedule your synchronization with KWHotel support team. Congratulations! You are an expert with the rate plans.